In the previous session, we have seen how we can use config properties. So in this session, we will check how we can secure these properties. So I have created a new project, which is an exact replica of the previous project which we have created. If you have not watched the previous session, I would highly recommend to watch that and come back to this session, because this is basically a continuation of the previous session. Okay. So what we are going to do is, we have this config.properties file. Say if we have a password and we want to secure this password by encrypting that particular value. So in this case, what I will do is I'll try to secure this particular value, http.port. I don't want this 8081 to be present in the config.properties directly. I need it to be encrypted and put so that Mule can decrypt it and use it. Okay. So for that first, what we will do is, we can search for secure properties in Mule first. We can go to the first website. Inside this, we will get a jar file. Okay. So I'll download this. Okay. So I have kept the jar file in this particular location. I will run cmd from that particular location. So my intention is to secure a particular string, right? For that I have to run a particular command. So this is the command. So this is a jar file. Okay. And I want to encrypt the string to string. Then this is encryption. Blowfish is the algorithm, and CBC is the mode. So I'll be using a key. So I have used, this is my key as the key, and the value which I want to encrypt. So about the algorithm and the mode, so we have a set of algorithms and modes which can be used to encrypt the value. So towards the end of this particular page, we can see that. So these are the supported algorithms. Okay. And these are the supported modes. So this particular jar file will encrypt this string using this algorithm and mode, and we will tell Mule that we have used this particular algorithm and mode to encrypt it, so use that to decrypt it, and we will be using a key for that. So let me run this command and see. Okay. Okay, so we got some output. So I'll copy this. So instead of this, what I have to do is I'll paste it, and it needs to be enclosed within braces, square bracket. And before that, I have to give an exclamation mark. So this basically what it means is that, so this is a encrypted value. Along with this, what we have to do is, you have to go to that particular property, click on edit, and I'll tell this is a secure property. So you have to give the value secure and double column. Click on OK. Okay. Once that is done, we need to add a module for this. So by default, it will not be there. So we need to check it in the exchange. We can check secure. Mule secure configuration property extension. We can add it. Click on finish. Okay. So once that is done, go to global alignment. Click on create. Search for secure. We will get this particular properties config. Once that is done, we have to give the file. So my file is a .properties file. So this is the file, and key I have to give this particular value which we use the command. This is my key. Once that is done, encoding we can leave it as it is. Then the algorithm is blowship and mode is CBC. Okay, so algorithm which we use to encrypt is blowfish and mode is CBC. Once that is done, you can click on OK. So we have to create one more global element for the key which we have created. So global configuration, global property, click on OK. So name I can give it a key and value as this is my key. Okay. Once that is done, we are good to go now. Let me test it. Okay. So the project got deployed. I don't see any issues. Let me test this and see if it is working fine. Okay. Okay. So this is working fine. So this port I have given as an encrypted value. Okay. So it is taking from this encrypted value and it is decrypting and using it by from this particular config. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Please let me know any suggestion about the session in the comments, and if you would like me to include any topic in Mule 4, please let me know in comments. Thank you.